ARAYO. ARAYO. What does it mean? This is one among the most common words that you will hear from K-dramas. Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word ARAYO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 152. ARAYO. ARAYO. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ar, the second syllable is a, the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. ARAYO. The word ARAYO is used to say, I know or I already know. This has a similar meaning with the word Araso. Now, how do we write ARAYO in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable R in Hangul, we need to draw first a no sound iyang or a placeholder iyang at the first position of the syllable, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable a, we need to draw first another iyang character, which serves as a placeholder, followed by an a character. Lastly, for the third syllable, we need to draw first an iyang character, followed by a yo character. Then, we just have to combine the hangul for each of these syllables to form the hangul of the word ARAYO. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word ARAYO, let's try to look into this example phrase. It says, I already know. The Korean translation of this phrase is also simply just ARAYO itself. Again, I already know is ARAYO in Korean. Just more information about ARAYO. It came from the root verb alda. The verb alda means to know. And this is transformed into ARAYO by removing da and adding ayo to make it in present tense form. So, alda becomes ARAYO. And ARAYO is just the present tense form of the verb to know. Again, the method is, we will remove da from the root verb alda, and then we will add ayo. Ar plus ayo is ARAYO. And that is how ARAYO is formed. Going back to this, we should remember that although this is not a sentence, this is actually one of the most common phrases used in Korea. And we already know that it means, I already know. And with that, you've just learned ARAYO. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 142 to 151. But don't forget, our word for today, ARAYO, which means I know. Word number 151 is amado, which means maybe. Word number 150 is 잘 가요, and this is a phrase which means goodbye or go well. Word number 149 is 한번, which means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is the Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajoma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajosi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man which is of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sister. And the last for our review is word number 142, Yongjae. And this is the Korean noun for brothers. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.